Welcome everyone to Old Man Wisdom. I thought we'd take it outside today, seeing as it's a nice afternoon, and just talk about one or two things regarding Forex trading. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and visit oldmanwisdom.co.uk to download some free Forex trading tools just for you. So the subject I wanted to talk about was, why is Forex trading so difficult? Why do people find trading Forex so hard? And there's quite a few different reasons why. Maybe the first one is because it's pure lack of knowledge. It takes time and experience to learn anything in life. When it comes to Forex trading, and when your money is on the line every single trade, it's really important to get that experience as quickly as possible. But therein lies the problem. How do you gain experience without losing money? Well, there are ways to do that, and the most obvious way is to obviously start trading Forex on a demo account. This means that you're not putting real money on the line every single trade, but instead you're learning how to trade Forex with kind of fake money, if you like. The danger here is that you become a bit blasé about the demo account and the so-called money within the demo account. So usually when you open a brand new demo account on the MT4 or MT5 platform, you'll be given as much as £100,000 or dollars to play with. However, before clicking the confirm button, you're able to change the amount that the demo account has in it when it comes to money. So instead of having £100,000, maybe it would be good to start with just £1,000 to try and keep it as real as you possibly can. This means that although you're still not losing any money, it means that if you were to lose that £1,000, well, imagine if it was real money. It'd be quite upsetting indeed. So the second reason why Forex trading is so difficult is because we get excited. Our emotions are running high, and when we do deposit real money, well, our lot sizes are sometimes putting our whole account at risk, even just in the very first trade. So when you're on the demo account and maybe just with $1,000 or £1,000 in the account, that helps in keeping the trading lot sizes to a realistic level. So for example, with £1,000, you might just be trading 0.1 instead of 5 lots all in one go, because £1,000 won't allow you to do that. So it kind of keeps it as realistic again as it would be in a live account. So when it comes to emotions, which often makes Forex trading so difficult for us, we learn to control our emotions over time by using a demo account, keeping it to a realistic size money-wise, and of course this means lot sizes when we're trading are at a realistic size. So here's two reasons why we might find Forex trading so difficult. Because we haven't got the experience, and of course when we jump in and start trading, we might go straight onto a live account, and with our emotions running high, we open too many trades all at once, or our lot sizes are too high all at once. So by going onto a demo account, we can get the experience, and of course we can learn to control our emotions and not do silly trades that could blow our account within hours or days. The other reason why we can find Forex trading so difficult is because we listen to too many people. When I first started trading, I joined as many Telegram groups as I could possibly find. I followed as many trading channels on YouTube as I could possibly find. And of course, in the end, I was so confused, I didn't know whether to buy or sell the Euro USD or whatever currency I was happened to be trading. Sometimes I heard so much that I had 10 different currency pairs open and trades on all of them running at the same time. So listening to too many people can be a danger, and this can make Forex trading really, really difficult for ourselves. So again, we need to trust our own judgment, our own trading skills, and this really leads us to the next point, that trading Forex is a skill. Now, I don't care whether you're trading with indicators or price action or patterns or Fibonacci or whatever it might be. Whatever you want to trade Forex using, you can learn it and become skillful at it. It can literally be a skill. Now, you might not get a qualification or a certificate or a badge or a pat on the back when you do an amazing trade, but with practice you can become what I call a skillful Forex trader. So don't let anyone tell you that it's not a skill. It truly is. It's just like anything. You'll see here, as an example, you see this fence, and then you see this fence. This fence versus this fence. Look at the difference. Trading Forex can be like putting a fence up. If you've not had the practice, the experience, and if you haven't developed the skills, your trading is going to look like that really rickety old fence over there. Really, we want it to look like that professional looking fence where it's all straight and on point. That's where our trading needs to be. And so maybe the last point I'd like to make when it comes to trading and why we sometimes find it so hard is because we don't want to lose. And unfortunately, you're going to have to get used to losing. Now, I don't mean losing all the time. If we lose more than we win, we're going to be in trouble and blow our account. So we don't want to be doing that. But what I mean is, we don't want to be scared of having a losing trade. When I first started trading Forex, I kind of tried to come up with a strategy so that I would never ever lose. And to begin with, it worked. I was so smug and so proud of myself. But of course, ultimately, we are going to lose. There are a lot of different systems. Some systems claim that you will never lose. That's not entirely true. Usually it means that you've lost one trade and won one trade, but the winning trade is bigger than the losing trade. Either way, you've got to learn to lose at Forex sometimes. And of course, really that's not in human nature. Especially when we're all excited about trading Forex when we first start, or when we first fund our new live account. We're all excited. We feel on top of the world and that we're never going to lose. But unfortunately, from time to time, that's exactly what's going to happen. That's why so many Forex traders use stop losses. Again, using a stop loss goes back to the first point I made, which is gaining experience. You know what I mean. If we put a stop loss too tight, we're going to lose a lot of the time. So where to put a stop loss is a skill. And of course, if it hits our stop loss, we need to have control of our emotions so that we don't do something silly because we've lost a trade. Because if we don't learn about these things, then we're going to find trading Forex very, very difficult indeed. So I hope this has kind of helped. Just to recap on the points I've been making. Firstly, that we need to gain experience when it comes to Forex. Ideally, we would do this starting on a demo account, or if we're blowing our live accounts time and time again, maybe it's good to go back onto a demo account and just start afresh. Take what you already know and build yourself a good strategy. But by going back onto a demo account, we can gain that experience that is so vital. And of course, we can develop what we might call a skill. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Forex trading is a skill. So we need to gain control of our emotions. Emotions are something that make Forex trading so hard and difficult. And of course, we are making it difficult by not having control of our emotions. Listening to too many people, that's not going to help our Forex trading either. We need to maybe just listen to one or two people, or no one at all. Just develop your own ways of trading Forex and stick to that. Whether developing skills using price action trading or indicators or Fibonacci, whatever it is, learn it inside out so that you can become the best trader you could possibly be. So really, these are just reminders that I thought I'd point out to you today. Maybe they've helped. Maybe you're struggling with your Forex trading right now and you're not sure why. Or maybe some of these points will help you understand why. Or just give you a nudge to say, stop, I'm losing money. I need to rethink things again. You know, sometimes we need that. I needed that early in my trading career. And even now sometimes I make silly little mistakes, and of course I know better, but I still make them. So that's why I wanted to make this video, really just to highlight that from time to time, if we're making little mistakes on a consistent basis, we need to just stop and think, and of course reset ourselves a little bit. Maybe you can think of other ways as to why Forex trading can be so difficult, why we make it so difficult, or why the charts are just so difficult to read. But comment below, let me know your thoughts. What is it about Forex that you find so hard to master? Comment below, let us all know. Maybe we can have a conversation about it. Like I said at the beginning, don't forget to subscribe. Sorry about this video, it's a little bit juddery. I'm walking through the woods. It's an absolutely beautiful afternoon and I thought I'd take advantage of the weather. Until next time, everybody take care and I'll speak to you very soon.